In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 Midjourney prompt tips and tricks that you can use to level up your AI art and improve your Midjourney prompts. These tricks and tips will help you get the most out of Midjourney, so let's get started. Tip number 1. Aspect ratio. The first tip that we are going to discuss is the aspect ratio code. This code lets you change the aspect ratio of your image in Midjourney, allowing you to create art that you could use across multiple social media platforms. To use this code, type in --IR followed by the aspect ratio that you want your image to be in, after entering the prompt in Midjourney. For example, if you want your image to be in the 16:9 aspect ratio, type in --IR 16:9 after the prompt in Midjourney. This code tells Midjourney to show the results in the specified aspect ratio. So, if you ever want to change the aspect ratio of your image, this parameter will come in handy. Tip number 2. Negative keywords. The next tip that we are going to discuss is negative keywords. This code allows you to instruct Midjourney to exclude certain things from your art, giving you more control over the art generation itself. To use this code, type in --no followed by the keyword that you don't want to include in your art after entering the prompt. For example, if you don't want your image to include trees, type in --no trees just after entering the prompt in Midjourney. This code also comes in handy most of the time. Tip number 3. Video code. The next trick that we are going to try is the video code. This code allows you to get the video of the generation of your image. You can see how your image was gradually generated by the Midjourney AI with this code. To use this code, type in --video after entering the prompt in Midjourney. After that, click on the Add Reaction button above the newly produced result, and then find the envelope icon from this list and click on it. Now, Midjourney will send another message along with the video. You can open the video and save it to your device. This is a great way to share how the AI art was created with others. Tip number 4. Include images. Another great tip to level up your AI art is to include images in the prompt, so that AI can use them as a reference for the art. You can upload any images to the AI and turn them into anything you want using this trick. To do this, upload the reference image to Discord, open the image and copy the link to it. Now, type in /imagine and then paste the link to the image. After that, enter the prompt that you want to give to Midjourney. Now, Midjourney will use this image as a basis for creating the art. This is also a great way to get more creative results out of Midjourney. Tip number 5. Stylize code. The next trick that you could use in Midjourney is to use the stylize code along with your prompt. What this does is that it allows Midjourney to stylize the images. To use this code, type in --as followed by the value after the prompt. By default, the value is set at 625, and you can max it out at 60,000. The higher the value that you enter, the more creative your images will be. So make sure to try this code also. Tip number 6. Quality parameter. The next tip is to use the quality parameter in Midjourney. This parameter allows you to change the quality of the image generated using Midjourney. You can use this by typing in --key followed by the value, with 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. Keep in mind that choosing a higher quality will also increase the time required to generate the image. However, the improvement in the quality of the images generated by the AI is significant, so it's definitely worth it. Tip number 7 is to use the chaos parameter. This parameter allows Midjourney to control the chaos in the images and let it produce more unusual and unexpected results. To use this, you can type in --chaos followed by a value after entering the prompt in Midjourney. The higher the value, the more unpredictable and unrelated the results will be to the prompt you gave Midjourney. You can use this parameter to get more unexpected and unique results. Moving on to trick number 8, we have the test and test P codes in Midjourney. These are the test models available in Midjourney that you can use to generate images. Test creates general-purpose artistic images, while Test P creates a photorealistic image of the keyword that you enter. To use these codes, you can enter --test or --test P after entering the prompt in Midjourney. There are also a few other codes that you can use along with test and test P, like --creative. This code gives the AI more room for creativity, resulting in more unique and creative images. Tip number 9. The tile code. There is also another code that you can use along with test and test P models called the tile. This code allows you to generate repeating tiles or patterns that you can use for fabrics, wallpapers, and other similar purposes. To use the tile code, type in --tile after either the test or test P code in the prompt. Note that this parameter does not work with the default model, which is version 4 of Midjourney. To use this code, you will need to switch to the newest version 5 or anything below version 4. That brings us to the last and final tip, which is to use the version code. This code allows us to switch between different model versions of Midjourney to generate the art. You can use this by typing in --v followed by the version, such as 3, 4, or 5. You can also change the model from the settings by entering the /settings command in Midjourney. So, those were the 10 Midjourney prompt tips and tricks that you can use to level up your AI art game. Don't forget to experiment with these codes to get unique and creative results the next time you use Midjourney. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.